going, y'all? It's your girl Alexis, and I am back with another video.
Interior, they wanna know who lyric is. She like, cash, bitch, you doing too much. Yeah. I'm like, shut up, ho, you ain't doing enough. Yeah. Oh, you fucking mad? That's too fucking bad. Since you fucking ass, I like doing too much. I'm obsessed with
What's
myself.
going on, y'all? I miss y'all so fucking much. Like, I literally miss sitting in front of a camera and recording and just saying all that good shit. You know what I'm saying? I really miss this a lot. Like, this is my element, okay? So yeah, guys, sorry for the late video. I know my last video I posted was probably like a month and like a week ago or something like that. It was the Fashion Nova haul. So if you haven't seen that haul yet, please go and click the link in the description down below, or just go in my videos and go check it out. Like, it's the last video I posted. I also hope you guys enjoyed that little new intro that I have. I thought it would be fun. I'm like, I need an intro, because I always just come in here like, yo, what's going on, y'all? She got Lex back with it. So I'm like, let me get an intro. You know what I'm saying? So I could be an official YouTuber, okay? So I hope you guys like the intro. So that will be the new intro on all of my vids now. If you are like under the age of 13, don't watch my videos because I curse a lot, okay? And my intro got bare cursing. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard Cash Doll. Y'all heard what she said. Period. So what else was I gonna say? So let y'all know where I was going. Let y'all know I got a video. Let y'all know I got a new intro. What else? Oh yeah. Your girl is a Sagittarius, and Sagittarius season is coming the fuck up, okay? Which means it's a motherfucking queen's birthday, okay? Hold up. It's a motherfucking queen's birthday. Oh, nah, I'm such a fucking bird, y'all. Anyway, it's a queen's birthday, and don't worry, y'all, this crown is not from nobody Clears. This shit got some weight on it, okay? It's a heavy ass motherfucking crown. So for y'all that's like, hello, cheap ass crown. No, baby, I got this right in Manhattan. This shit was not cheap either, okay? My birthday is November 23rd. I'm not gonna tell y'all how old I'm turning, okay? I'm not gonna tell y'all yet. I'm gonna let y'all think what y'all think. So that's coming up. So wish me a happy birthday. And for that, for my birthday, I'm going to put up so much content. You guys hear me? So much content. Okay, so look out for the end of November, December-ish. Like, just look out for my channel, because I'm telling you, I'm hitting y'all with content. That's all I'm gonna say. What else do I have to say? Do I have to say anything else? Okay, I don't think I have to say anything else. I gotta say anything else. So we're gonna get right into the motherfucking video. Let's go. Yo, something is really wrong with me, but who cares? I don't give a fuck. Anyway. Oh yeah, that's also what I gotta say. So I know you guys noticed my eye makeup. Y'all know I do a little bit of makeup on this channel. For the people that don't know, I have an Instagram for my makeup and like hair and stuff like that I do. I'm gonna get more active on my beauty page shortly. I'm trying to take on a lot of stuff in 2020, so we're just like praying to God and just like, you know, keeping the faith that 2020 a lot of new doors can open. But you know, please go check out my Instagram. It's freelancebeauty_. I know I'm gonna put it right here, so I'm gonna put it right here. And if you also don't know my main page, it's In the Bag of Chips. I posted that everywhere. Like, yeah, I probably already know my Instagram, but I'll put it there too. And yeah, go check it out. Check out some of the looks that I do. I try to like post often. We're gonna try, but yeah. So I'm gonna stop rambling. I know what you guys is here for. Y'all here for this Kendra's Boutique hair review. So I'm just gonna get right into it. So I got 2 bundles and a closure of the Brazilian straight. That's usually all the hair I ever buy, just like Brazilian straight. But I got a Brazilian straight. I just curled it with a wand, so that's why it's wavy right now, but it's straight hair. But this hair holds the curl so freaking well. And I got 2 28 inches. Both of the bundles, I got them 28 inches. And then the closure, I got it 18 inches. That was the longest they had. So I just got the longest one, which was 18 inches. I actually just washed this hair today. So this is actually it, freshly washed and doing its thing. So yeah, you guys can see how it looks, you know, freshly washed and everything like that. So we'll start off with, so pretty much I got this, I don't know how long ago I got this hair. I don't know if it was like a month ago, 2 months ago. It probably was 2 months ago. or like a month and like a half ago, maybe. I don't know. So this is that type of review. I'm just, okay. So I'm going to start off with the pros of the hair and then the cons and all that good stuff. So the pros of this hair, I can say, is it is so buttery soft. Okay, it's soft, girl. My hands never really like be feeling crunchy when they go through this hair. Like, it's just soft to the touch. Every time people try to like put their hand in my hair, like, they just be like, oh my god, it's so nice, or like, it just looks so soft and everything. But other people seem to like it too. I don't let everybody run their hands through my hair though. But for my friends, for my homies, my homegirls, they be trying to cop the feel. But yeah, and I also could say for this closure, this shit is so seamless. Like, everybody think I have leave out. Like, everybody be like, is that leave out, or is that, I'm like, no, closure. They're like, oh my gosh, it looks like leave out. And I don't know if it's because how flat I've got it, or if it's just like the lace itself, but I believe it's both, okay? And that is a plus, okay? Because we don't want stuff out here looking like closure. It's like, that's not the point. You don't want your hair out here looking like a closure. That's not what we want. So I just love how much the lace blends on my skin, especially when I add a little bit of makeup on it or something. It blends in really good. And also, another con is that this hair rarely sheds. Like, I wish I didn't clean out my brush so I could show you guys, but this hair rarely ever shedded. Like, it wasn't shedding like that. You get a couple strands or whatever, but I honestly feel like that was from when I was cutting, because I cut some tracks or whatever. And it couldn't even be, it probably is not even from the Kendra's hair. It's probably from the one of the bundles, the other hair that I put in. So you don't even know, you know what I'm saying? But from what I can see, like, I don't get no shedding from this hair, like, whatsoever. Like, minimal to none. Like, minimal to none. What else? It's pretty much so flowy, so nice. It has a beautiful bounce. And as you guys can see, like, it holds a curl so well. So even if you want to wear it straight, it's gonna glisten and shine and move. But even if you want to wear a curly, girl, it's gonna hold that curl, okay? It holds a fucking curl. The other day, I got caught in the rain with some wand curls, and it wasn't like as tight, but it still had that wave going. I was like, even in the rain? Come on, girl. Even in the rain. So these is the ends. Okay, let me see. These is the ends. They're very thick, very, very healthy. I haven't had to trim the ends or nothing. Like, they're so healthy, so thick. Like, I just love it. I just love it. And another pro. Another pro would be, girl, I just love the hair. Like, what the fuck? It's nice. It's nice. Like, it's nice. I like the hair. I get a lot of compliments on it. I can't really say nothing wrong with it. Too drastic. But I am ready to get up in these cons. So let me tell y'all these motherfucking cons, though. So, okay. When I first got the hair, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't really feeling it so much. I liked it, but for some reason it didn't grow on me yet. And I feel like it was because when I would run my hands through the comb, I would always get snags. Like, for some reason, I would always get snags. Now, I don't get any snags. I don't know what that's about. When I first got the hair, I feel like I was just snagging a lot, and it was like really getting on my nerves, because you know that causes split ends, and I fucking hate split ends. Like, I can't do it. So that was irking me at first. And another con is, when I got the hair, I showed you guys that it was very, very brown. And I told you guys before, I freaking hate brown hair. Like, I hate brown hair. So I either dye it or whatever. But it was very brown, and I rinsed the hair. But I rinsed it while it was wet, so it didn't grasp onto the hair that good. So me washing it, like, I washed this hair about 4 times already. So, and then this one will probably be like the 5th time. Or no, I think this is the 4th time. So I washed it 3 times, and this is the 4th time today. So, so pretty much, like, a lot of the rinse came out, and I just feel like the ends are very, very brown. But for some reason, I don't really mind it. But you know, I think it's just a preference thing. Like, I just prefer black hair, like jet black hair, black hair. But it doesn't look very brown on camera. And, you know, it's not that serious. Like, it's not the end of the world. As long as it's not, like, bright brown, we good. You know what I'm saying? I'll take a little 1B. You know what I'm saying? I'll take a little 1B. But, what's another con? Honestly, that's it. I think it's just those two cons, which is that it's snagged in the beginning and that it's fucking brown. Like, that's it. But, you know, just dye the hair, guys. Y'all will be fine. It's just a preference thing. Like, if you don't care about having brownish hair, then you good, girl. But, you know, it's just like a preference thing. But other than that, my overall score for this hair, I'll definitely give it a 9.5. Like, it's really, really good. And I wouldn't put nothing in my head that I feel like I ain't about to be rocking. Like, fuck out of here. Like, we ain't doing that. Like, no. It does really good after a wash. It takes really good to heat. It never burns. From no amount of heat, this hair does not burn. And it's just like, it's just nice. I just really like it. Like, it's really nice. This hair is really good. It's definitely thick. And I get a lot of compliments on it. And if you have this hair and you take care of it right, you will get a lot of compliments too. Because you need your hair out here flowing and moving and grooving, okay? You ain't about to be out here with all that stiff shit. We're not doing that, all right? We're not doing that. Yeah, you guys, I mean, if you guys want me to stand up and turn around, you know, let me just stand up and turn around so I can show you, like, how everything, like, you know, looks from the back. Yeah, you guys, I definitely like this hair. So I can say after having it for 2 months or almost 2 months, I like it. Okay, it showed out. It did what it had to do. It got me my compliments. I look good. I'll be looking bomb in my selfies. So, yeah. Thumbs up, Kendra. Thumbs up. I actually threw away the paper with all the deals in it and stuff like that. But, you know, fuck it. Whatever. So that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagrams and the Bag of Chips and Freelance Beauty. Okay, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Love y'all. Bye. Mwah.